The email revenue generator. Holiday ad costs are about to crush you just like they did last year. Pay-per-click ad costs went up 10% last December and are expected to go up another 15% again this December. It's time to stop giving all your money away to Facebook and Google. This is the reality. Every online apparel and electronics retailer faced the same three problems this holiday season: rising acquisition costs, emails that don't convert, and competitors racing to the bottom with discounts. This means you're working harder, earning less, and bleeding profit when you should be making the most profit during this time of the year. For the past 27 years, I've been helping online apparel and electronic retailers increase their revenue while decreasing their expenses. I helped one of my clients bring in $2 million of revenue during Black Friday week while reducing the spend on advertising. With online ad costs jumping another 15% this December compared to last December, and advertising platforms hiking their prices like they do every year, waiting around to create a plan for Black Friday and holiday, that just ain't going to happen. The time is now. Otherwise, you're going to pay more to reach fewer customers while your holiday revenue just slips away to the competitors who acted first. So basically, if you keep doing nothing, your ad costs are going to keep climbing, your margins are going to keep shrinking, and you'll keep watching your profits vanish while your competitors take away your customers. Let's flip the script. Imagine logging into your dashboard this holiday season and your sales spike while your ad costs decrease. Instead of bleeding profit, you're finally pocketing more cash every single day, turning what used to be your most stressful months into your most profitable ones. Now imagine waking up and seeing your email campaigns finally performing the way they should. Opens increase, clicks spike, and purchases flow in with every send. Is this system right for you? If you sell apparel or electronics online and ready to put in just a little bit of work and work with me one-on-one to focus on your return on investment, then this is for you. Who this isn't for? Service businesses, B2B businesses, websites with very little traffic or a very small opt-in email list, those with very little money for marketing, and those who are not coachable. Hey, you know what? If you got the time and expertise, hey, try doing it yourself again this year. Check in the description below, and you can watch my free playlist for some guidance. But if you want to get there quicker and easier, and work with me one-on-one, and use my experience so you can increase your revenue while decreasing your expenses, then check in the description below and schedule a call now. Now, most retailers think the only way to win online during the holiday is to outspend on ads, waste a lot of time Facebooking, and trying to convince influencers and affiliates to sell your stuff for you. Slash prices, deep discounting, nah, this is all a crappy plan. That's the plan your competitors want you to use. Instead, use my email revenue generator. It's a framework designed to help online apparel and electronic retailers grow their audience, increase the return on investment, and keep profits high even when ad costs skyrocket. It's my three-part strategy that makes this work. 1, it's a list growth engine. Together we create an online contest, and we use online websites, bloggers, your social media channels to add more than 4,389 new subscribers to your opt-in email list and get them warmed up before the holiday rush. Next, we define your target customer. Together, we will create your buyer persona. Your email copy will go from, hey everyone, to, hey you, and your subscribers will feel like you're talking to them and reading their minds. Next, the email cash machine. Together, we will create copy to boost your open rates, click rates, and purchases so every email campaign makes more money with less work. And then after we're all done, grow, send, repeat. After we're done working together, you walk away with the knowledge to do this for yourself anytime. As a matter of fact, one of my clients that sells electronics online, we use my system and tripled the click-through rate, tripled the revenue of their email campaigns, and all I did was change a few words and focus on what mattered to the target consumer. You know what? It was almost as if we were reading their thoughts. So what do you get when we work together? We work one-on-one together, helping you build up your opt-in email list and increase revenue from your email list. Now remember, if you have the time, you can try doing it yourself again for free this year, and you can watch my playlist below for guidance. But time has already run out, so if you want to get there quicker and easier, and want my help increasing your revenue while decreasing your ad spend this holiday season, then check below to schedule a short 10-minute call. A Black Friday prep isn't something you can squeeze in at the last minute. Every single day you delay, the ad costs climb, competitors take more ground, and the window to dominate this holiday season just gets smaller. Don't get stuck competing harder while watching your competitors win the customers that should have been yours. Your next step? Click the description below right now and schedule a 10-minute call so we can explore working together. It'll be a short call just to make sure that we're a match. If I can't help you, I'll let you know and point you in the right direction. Now let's make this your most profitable holiday season ever. I've been helping online apparel and electronic retailers for the past 27 years increase their revenue and decrease their expenses. Check below right now and schedule a call, and let's make this your most profitable holiday season ever, the easy way.